እኔ የሰው ልጅ ነኝ ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው አንድ ፈጣሪ ብቻ ነው የሚያበላኝ የሚያጠጣኝ እሱ ብቻ ነው እንደፈለገ ያርገኝ ከሱ የሚመጣው በሙሉ አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
But there was one thing he really struggled with, studying. No matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't understand.
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው አንድ ፈጣሪ ብቻ ነው
His classmates often laughed at his mistakes,
የሚያበላኝ
and that made Ethan feel
የሚያጠጣኝ
worse.
እሱ
He
ብቻ
slowly
ነው
started to lose confidence in himself.
እንደፈለገ ያርገኝ
One day, after school
ከሱ
was over,
የሚመጣው በሙሉ
Mr. Harris, the philosopher,
አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
was still sitting alone in the classroom. Ethan walked up to him slowly, feeling unsure. In a soft
እኔ የሰው ልጅ
voice,
ነኝ
he said, Sir,
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው አንድ ፈጣሪ ብቻ ነው
Mr. Harris nodded.
የሚያበላኝ
Come, sit down.
የሚያጠጣኝ
What is it?
እሱ ብቻ ነው
Ethan stayed quiet for a moment.
እንደፈለገ ያርገኝ
Sir, I'm really
ከሱ
bad at
የሚመጣው
studying.
በሙሉ
I can't remember anything.
አልহামዱሊላህ
I
ነው
can't focus either. Honestly, I feel hopeless. If you could give me some advice. Mr.
እኔ
Harris
የሰው
smiled
ልጅ ነኝ
gently and said, You know what,
ነፍሴን
Ethan?
ደሞ ያዘው አንድ ፈጣሪ ብቻ
You're
ነው
not the only one. Many students go
የሚያበላኝ
through the same thing. If
የሚያጠጣኝ
you truly want to improve, you
እሱ
can.
ብቻ ነው
I'm going to teach you 5 simple
እንደፈለገ
but
ያርገኝ
powerful tips that will help you
ከሱ
focus
የሚመጣው
better
በሙሉ
and change the way you learn.
አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
First lesson, calm your mind. Mr. Harris gave Ethan a glass bottle filled with muddy water.
እኔ የሰው ልጅ ነኝ
What do you see here?
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው አንድ ፈጣሪ
Ethan
ብቻ ነው
replied, Dirty water, sir.
የሚያበላኝ
Okay, now let's leave it for a bit and
የሚያጠጣኝ
watch what happens.
እሱ ብቻ ነው
After about an hour, the
እንደፈለገ
dirt settled
ያርገኝ
at the bottom and the water
ከሱ
became clear.
የሚመጣው በሙሉ
What about now?
አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
asked the teacher. Ethan looked surprised and said, The water is clear now, sir. Exactly,
እኔ የሰው ልጅ ነኝ
Mr. Harris said.
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው አንድ ፈጣሪ ብቻ ነው
When it's full of stress, fear, or too
የሚያበላኝ
many thoughts, we can't think
የሚያጠጣኝ
clearly. So before you
እሱ
start
ብቻ ነው
studying, close your eyes for 5
እንደፈለገ
minutes
ያርገኝ
and focus only on your
ከሱ
breathing.
የሚመጣው በሙሉ
This will calm your mind
አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
and help you learn better. Second lesson, focus on the present. Mr.
እኔ የሰው
Harris
ልጅ ነኝ
placed a lit candle on the table.
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው
Look at
አንድ
this
ፈጣሪ
flame
ብቻ
and
ነው
try to keep your focus only on it.
የሚያበላኝ
Don't let your thoughts wander.
የሚያጠጣኝ
At first,
እሱ
Ethan
ብቻ
couldn't
ነው
focus. He kept thinking about
እንደፈለገ
his
ያርገኝ
friends, his fears about
ከሱ
exams,
የሚመጣው በሙሉ
everything. But slowly,
አልহামዱሊላህ
his
ነው
attention stayed only on the flame. See, Mr. Harris said, the past is over,
እኔ
and the
የሰው ልጅ
future
ነኝ
hasn't come yet. What we
ነፍሴን
have
ደሞ
is the
ያዘው
present
አንድ ፈጣሪ
moment.
ብቻ ነው
So when you're studying and your mind drifts
የሚያበላኝ
away, gently bring it back to
የሚያጠጣኝ
the task.
እሱ ብቻ
Practice
ነው
this every day.
እንደፈለገ
Third
ያርገኝ
lesson, try to
ከሱ
understand,
የሚመጣው
not
በሙሉ
just memorize.
አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
Mr. Harris gave Ethan a sponge and a rock. Then he poured water on both. The sponge soaked in the water,
እኔ የሰው ልጅ
but
ነኝ
the water rolled off the rock.
ነፍሴን ደሞ
Some
ያዘው አንድ
students just
ፈጣሪ
try
ብቻ
to
ነው
memorize everything. They're like the rock,
የሚያበላኝ
the teacher explained.
የሚያጠጣኝ
But the students who
እሱ
try
ብቻ
to
ነው
understand, imagine things,
እንደፈለገ ያርገኝ
and learn through examples,
ከሱ
they're
የሚመጣው
like the
በሙሉ
sponge. They
አልহামዱሊላህ
remember
ነው
what they learn. So always try to understand, not just memorize. Fourth lesson,
እኔ የሰው ልጅ ነኝ
break learning into small parts.
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው
Mr.
አንድ
Harris
ፈጣሪ
gave
ብቻ
Ethan
ነው
a big wooden block and said, try to
የሚያበላኝ
break this. Ethan
የሚያጠጣኝ
tried hard but couldn't break
እሱ
it.
ብቻ ነው
Then the teacher cut the block into
እንደፈለገ
small
ያርገኝ
pieces.
ከሱ
Finally,
የሚመጣው በሙሉ
you can't
አልহামዱሊላህ
learn
ነው
big topics all at once, Mr. Harris said. Break them into small parts. Study a little
እኔ
each
የሰው ልጅ
day.
ነኝ
Take short breaks. and
ነፍሴን
then
ደሞ
study
ያዘው
again.
አንድ ፈጣሪ ብቻ ነው
This will stop you from getting bored and help
የሚያበላኝ
you learn more easily.
የሚያጠጣኝ
Fifth lesson,
እሱ ብቻ ነው
practice regularly.
እንደፈለገ
Mr.
ያርገኝ
Harris planted seeds in 2 pots.
ከሱ የሚመጣው
He
በሙሉ
watered one every day but didn't water the
አልহামዱሊላህ
other.
ነው
After a few days, the first pot had a small plant growing, but the second one stayed dry.
እኔ የሰው ልጅ ነኝ
If you give just a little time every day
ነፍሴን
to your
ደሞ ያዘው
studies,
አንድ ፈጣሪ
you'll see
ብቻ ነው
results, the teacher explained.
የሚያበላኝ
But if you study one day
የሚያጠጣኝ
and skip the next 3,
እሱ ብቻ
it
ነው
won't help.
እንደፈለገ ያርገኝ
even if it's just
ከሱ
20
የሚመጣው
minutes.
በሙሉ
Over the next few
Alhamdulillah.
weeks, Ethan followed every tip Mr. Harris gave him. At first, there wasn't much change. But
እኔ የሰው
slowly,
ልጅ ነኝ
he noticed he could sit and study.
ነፍሴን ደሞ ያዘው አንድ
He
ፈጣሪ
began
ብቻ
to
ነው
understand the topics more easily. He didn't feel
የሚያበላኝ
scared anymore. His
የሚያጠጣኝ
grades started to improve.
እሱ ብቻ ነው
Most importantly, he began
እንደፈለገ
to enjoy
ያርገኝ
learning.
ከሱ
5 years
የሚመጣው
later,
በሙሉ
Ethan is now a successful
Alhamdulillah.
person. He often remembers that the most important lessons of his life came from that day, when his philosophy
የሰው ልጅ ነኝ
teacher shared 5 simple ways
ነፍሴን
to
ደሞ
change
ያዘው
his
አንድ
learning
ፈጣሪ
forward.
ብቻ ነው
And you too, if
የሚያበላኝ
you're having trouble with studying or
የሚያጠጣኝ
anything in life,
እሱ
take a
ብቻ
step
ነው
forward like Ethan did.
እንደፈለገ
Keep your
ያርገኝ
mind calm. Try to
ከሱ የሚመጣው
understand
በሙሉ
and practice regularly.
አልহামዱሊላህ ነው
Your small efforts will grow into big achievements one day. Your belief and hard work will become the best
እኔ
tools
የሰው
for
ልጅ
your
ነኝ
success. If you
ነፍሴን
feel
ደሞ
this
ያዘው
story
አንድ
should
ፈጣሪ
reach more
ብቻ ነው
people, please like and share the video.
የሚያበላኝ
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel
የሚያጠጣኝ
to stay with us.
እሱ
I'll
ብቻ
be
ነው
back again with another
እንደፈለገ
inspiring
ያርገኝ
story. Till then,
ከሱ
be
የሚመጣው
patient.
በሙሉ